In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize schoolwork in ClickUp. If your assignments, projects, and study tasks feel scattered, this simple setup will bring everything into one clear system. We'll create a dedicated spot for school, add a list to hold your tasks, enter assignments quickly, set due dates you can trust, and track progress so you always know what's next. Start by creating a space for school. A space is like your main folder that keeps related work together. In ClickUp, click plus New Space, name it School, and click Create Space. Keeping it short and simple makes it easy to find in the sidebar and helps you stay focused. You can customize the look or details later, but the goal right now is to give all your schoolwork a single home base. Next, create a list to hold your subjects and assignments. Inside the school space, click plus New List, name the list School Tasks, and click Create List. A list is where individual tasks will live. Using one list keeps everything visible at a glance, which is especially helpful during busy weeks. If you want extra clarity, add the subject at the beginning of each task name so you immediately know what class it's for. Now add your school tasks. Click plus Task, enter the assignment or activity name, and press Enter. Keep each task focused on one assignment so it's easy to track and finish. For bigger projects, create separate tasks for major milestones like research, drafting, and final review. Clear, specific names save time later because you won't have to open every task to remember what it is. Set due dates to stay ahead of deadlines. Click the task, click Due Date, and select the deadline. Use the exact date your teacher expects it to be submitted. Set these dates as soon as you add the task so you can plan your week with confidence. If a deadline shifts, update it right away, and the rest of your schedule will make more sense instantly. Finally, track your progress with simple statuses. Use statuses like To Do, In Progress, and Submitted. When you start working, move the task to In Progress. Once you've turned it in, mark it as Submitted. This visual flow shows what needs attention, what you're actively tackling, and what's finished, so nothing slips through the cracks. And that's how you organize schoolwork in ClickUp. Quick and easy. If this helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more productivity tips.